Welcome to another Design with Jo video. I'm Joanne Rogers, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Central Alberta, Canada, and I've been designing with you in mind since 1999. Today I have another Jo Tips video for you that is super quick. It's how you can close those Stampin' Up! Stamp pads without getting ink all over your fingers. Let me show you how. Do you ever have it happen where you just can't get your stamp pad to close? You can't get it to open up. It takes a long time and you get ink all over your fingers. Well, let me show you a really quick way. All you have to do is press it from the other end. Press it from the other end and get it going and it'll close no problem. No ink all over your hands. I hope that's a great tip that you're going to use because it's a super quick one and saves you a whole bunch of hand washing. Make sure you don't miss another Jo Tips video by clicking on the subscribe button now. And if you're not on my mailing list, why not pop on over to www.designwithjo.ca and get yourself signed up. I post weekly tips and tricks and all kinds of news in the Stampin' Up! World. See you there. Bye-bye.